This video is about our maiden voyage with the little guy Max. We went to Letchworth State Park. It's called the Grand Canyon of the East. We had a lovely time, and it was just Susie and I. We left Rosie at Doggy Woggy to play with the dogs for the weekend, and at the end of this video we have a video of when we picked her up. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. To the right here, let's go over that. We were at the High Banks camping area, and you can see all the different camping sites they have. And that was at the north end of the park. Well, here we are at our campsite. We just got here about a couple hours ago. But set up the little guy. I had to pull it in and then take the Jeep out on the other side, because the way the property was here, we wanted the door facing the fire pit. The leaves are changing. And we just got a campfire going, and there's Susie. Hey, Suze, wave. So tonight we're gonna have toasted cheese and, nope, not toasted cheese, that's tomorrow night. Yep. Tonight we're gonna have tomato soup and toasted cheese. I was wrong. Tomorrow night's hamburgers. So anyways, it's supposed to rain. Got a couple of sprinkles. Things are pretty good. Letchworth State Park. Here's a map of the park. I think it's about 17 feet long. We're about towards the left side there, heading towards all the lower falls, middle falls, and high falls. And it's open year round. Alright, this is the first overlook we're stopping at, heading south towards the high falls. This is Gardeau Overlook. We're right up here at Letchworth Park, and the first weekend of October, and the leaves are changing. Down there, the center of the screen there is the Genesee River. We just stopped at St. Helena's picnic area. It's very beautiful. They got a cabin or underneath area with a fireplace, fire pit, and a picnic table. And then around the whole area they've got these different picnic spots. There's a picnic table right there with a grill. And here comes Susie. Hi, Suze.
Hi, Frank.
Alrighty, let's go to the next place.
All right.
We just stopped at the tea table area where the Genesee River cuts down through the cliffs here. And Genesee River winds through over that far area there, winds through that area, so we'll just keep heading south. Over here is more picnic tables, charcoal grills, and another covered picnic area. And Susie taking a picture. All right. This is Big Bend Outlook. Look at the cliff faces there. Oh my God, it's spectacular. And there's Genesee River down below. Some more cliff faces. Okay, this is actually the Great Bend Outlook. The one we were at prior, just before here. You see all the leaves changing. This is the base of the old trestle bridge that was taken down, built in 1875. And then over here is the new trestle bridge going across the Genesee River. And over here, see, this is the top of the Upper Falls. Okay, that's the Upper Falls there, and then you can see the trestle above. Okay, alrighty, here we are at our second campfire on our maiden voyage with our little guy Max. We're at Letchworth Park, and we spent the whole morning looking at the falls and the outlooks and taking pictures and videos that you'll see prior to this. And Suze, what about all the mistakes we've made so far?
In the camper?
Yeah, as far as we
What
forgot
we
things. Yes. We had our Keurig coffee maker. That was a disaster. It didn't work.
Yeah.
That was a bust. And then we ended up buying a percolator.
And that spewed all the grounds
all over.
We had a cooking too high.
And then we forgot some food.
Yeah, and we got some more, and we didn't even use the
it.
more.
But it's been a really nice trip. The little guy Max has held up really well. The hot water was fine. All we have here is electrical hookup. They don't have any water or sewer dump.
Park.
Yeah, but they got a sewer dump when you leave the park, so we'll dump then.
Oh, geez, why do you tell them that?
Well, because we are.
We're doing a sewer dump.
So we've been having a pretty good time.
Yep.
Figuring things out inside the little Max. There's things that we want to do. Hooks and that kind of thing. Of course, everybody else probably, when they get another trailer, they gotta figure it out.
Mm-hmm.
So.
And Frank has gone to school on a lot of your videos. A lot of people that have gone before us doing this. And it's been helpful.
We've watched the Joyous Voyagers, Randy Adventures,
I don't know that.
and then Turner Adventures. There's one other one. But anyways, everybody's videos, they've really been helpful.
Yes.
Little tips and that kind of stuff that's really appreciated. So, but we're having fun, and we're gonna have dinner tonight, cheeseburgers.
Yep.
The trouble is when we go on these trips, we did the Little Dipper across the United States, we had all these meal plans. And then before you knew it, we kept on cutting them down.
We had tomato soup at the end of the night.
Yeah, well, instead of having tomato soup with toasted cheese, we had tomato soup. That was last night too.
Right.
So, but we'll,
it's fun.
yeah.
And we'll be doing lots more, huh?
Yeah, lots more.
Okay.
More trips. So, thanks for watching. Okay, we're out at the campfire here. Susie's inside. I wanted to show you the slick little product that we found. It's called Strike-A-Fire. It's made by Diamond, who makes the matchsticks. And it's a big matchstick. And they got a flint at the end. And on the back of the box you can strike it. It really worked well to start the fires. The other thing I wanted to show you was our banner that we put out. We didn't put it out the first night. It's been out here this afternoon. And it's the Ramblin' Roses banner that we had made up. And we're the Ramblin' Roses YouTube channel. Oh, Rosie girl, oh my goodness, you happy to see us? Oh, wow. Yeah, come on. Hello, hello, yeah. Oh my goodness, you have a good trip here? Good girl. Good girl. To finish up the video, here's a map of the Letchworth State Park. We were all the way up here where the camping was for the RVs, and all the way down here where the upper, middle, and lower falls are. So if you enjoyed our video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up.